everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. Welcome. We are doing another glossy box today. I'm sorry I did miss last month's. I literally kept it behind and then October came and I was like, what? Where did September go? Like, is it anyone else feel like the weeks and the months are just going like that? Like, it's gonna be Christmas soon. Like, what the hell? But anyway, this is the box. So obviously it's looking like it's going to be kind of like Halloween-y. It looks very... okay, it's all like star signs and stuff. If you can see that, it's all like star signs and stuff, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to just dive straight into this because this excites me. So I did actually look at last month's box. I just opened it and just went through it. And oh my god, what a box it was. Like, if anyone actually got the box, I got like 7 items. Like, 7 items, what the hell? Like, that's crazy. I've never had 7 items before. Oh no. Did they not give me my little card? I don't think they gave me my Stanley card, which is brilliant. You know what, sometimes I forget. Okay, so I actually can't tell you what the products are because they didn't give me my little card. Let me just find it on GLOSSYBOX. Hopefully I can find it and it will tell me what it was, but I don't know. I just want the catalogue. Might have to actually log into it. This is going to be so annoying. I'm so sorry, guys. This is not what normally happens. They do normally put in... oh my god, the Scan Me card, but for some reason they haven't done that this time, which is strange, but hey ho. So I'm hoping I can get the catalogue on here. I don't think it's going to, which is really annoying because I can't actually discuss the prices. But no, we're just going to have to do it ourselves, I guess. So the first product is a eye plump by Batchwell eye cream. This is by Bybee, and this is what it looks like. It actually looks so nice. Oh my god, did anyone actually just see that? That literally just shot out. Okay, it doesn't smell of anything. I'm just gonna rub that in my hair. Oh my god, that's literally gone everywhere. Jesus Christ, it's a great start. Yeah, so I have no idea how much this is. This is a 15ml and it says rich overnight eye treatment with Batchwell hyaluronic acid and broccoli seed oil to plump, firm and hydrate your delicate eye area. That's strange. Broccoli, like what? May have to give this a go. The next product is bubble tea. Literally love bubble tea. I've had a few of their products and I literally love it. This is a body wash. So it's Neroli and Tangerine. So this is what it looks like. It's quite a cool packaging actually. This is 100ml and it says let the feeling of the calm moisturising body wash hydrate and nourish your skin. Now I'm hoping I don't... okay, it's got a cap on it so it is fine, but yeah, it doesn't look like it's completely full. Do you know what I mean? Can you see that? It's like it's got air trapped in it. But yeah, we'll give that a go. This one is by Beauty Pro. This is the Warming Eye Mask. It's Relaxing Calming Oil Self-Warming Eye Mask. Warming? Does it like heat up then? This is what it looks like. So you only get one mask in there. But this looks so nice. The next is, Steve Laurent. So I actually have a Steve Laurent product before from Glossybox. And I actually really, really like it. It was a lip liner. And it's such a nice colour as well. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a lip oil. The packaging is so nice. Look at that packaging. Do you know what? I'm just going to put some on. Let's just put some on. Smells nice. I wouldn't say it's like a lip oil. I'd say it's more like a gloss. It's quite sticky. I'm not sure about that. I don't really like the stickiness. The next product is a NeuroBay Natural Organic Restore and Nourish Hair Mask. Okay. That's all it really says, to be honest. Doesn't really say anything else. But that is what it's looking like. It looks really, really nice though. Oh, I don't know if I like the smell of that. Oh, okay. It does actually smell quite nice. It smells quite citrusy, but my hair could do with a bit of hydrate. And then the last thing is a Percy and Reed London Turn Up the Volume Volumizing Dry Shampoo. So this is a little thing. Oh, this was 60ml. It doesn't actually say. Oh, okay, so this lip oil is in the shade Orchard. So if you wanted to go and get that, that's in Orchard. And this is a 50ml. So I'm just going to see. Oh my god. Oh my god, it smells like hairspray. Yeah. It smells like hairspray. It's quite a short video, to be honest. I'm really sorry, guys. Normally we obviously talk through the products and stuff, but I don't really know the prices because I didn't get a little card, which is really annoying. But I absolutely love the box. That is so nice. Do you know what though? This is all skincare and hair care, which is very unusual for a Halloween box. Normally you get like some funky makeup, but yeah, I'm a bit confused, to be fair, with Glossybox. They normally go like all out for Halloween, but okay. I'm excited for their Christmas one. Don't get me wrong. I was tempted to buy the advent calendar again because I bought it last year, and some of the stuff in there was like unreal. The advent calendar was absolutely unreal, and I got it for like £85, and I think what was in there was like over £200 worth of products, and literally door number one was Elmis, and I was like, oh my god, this whole box is going to be unreal because it started off all good. I mean, don't get me wrong, there was some products I was a bit like, would I use that? Nah. But yeah, I did enjoy it, and yeah, like I said, I was tempted to get it again, but with what's going on at the moment in my life, I can't. All will be revealed hopefully soon. My fingers are completely crossed, but I do think the thing with advent calendars is you're always going to get something that you don't want, and then it's just a lot of products. Like even with my glossy boxes, right, I get my glossy boxes, I unbox them with you, and then they stay in the box. I don't actually use them. And then I'll remember, and I'm like, then I'm hunting through like 50 boxes, like what box was it in? Because I literally have nowhere to put all this stuff. I mean, when what is going to happen happens, it will be easier. That's all I can say right now, because I do not want to jinx myself. But yeah, when all that happens, hopefully it will make it easier for me. But yeah, like I don't know. I'm like debating whether I continue my Glossybox subscription, to be honest, because I'm just at that point where I'm like, I love the monthly boxes, and I like the products that come in them and stuff like that, and I don't hate it. It's a nice little present every month, but I'm like, do I need it? Do I need it? Because I don't know. I really don't know. And it's one of them things where you have to think about it financially, and if it's actually beneficial. Like, yeah, it's lovely to have as a little gift for yourself every month, but I don't know. It's one of them things. How dark is it today as well? I've literally got my lights on and my ring light because it's so dark. It literally looks like it's going to chuck it down with rain. And it's Friday today. So, also, let me just apologise to you guys. Like, I literally haven't filmed like in 2 weeks because, like I said to you, I was going to do a Glossybox one, and literally September just disappeared. Where did September go? Where did August go? Where did this year go? Like, comment down below if you absolutely agree with me. This year has gone. Also, comment down below, like, are you excited for Christmas? Like, what are you doing for Christmas? Christmas is literally the best time of the year, but I think people are so worried about this Christmas because of, the increase with household bills and all of that. People, look, I'm depressed because I'm like, does that mean nobody's going to have any lights? Does that mean I'm not going to be able to put my tree up? Does this mean like I'm not going to be able, or I can put my tree up, but like, can I not put my lights on? Because this is serious. Like, Christmas is supposed to be such a happy time of year, and people are so worried that they're not even going to be able to afford to actually cook the roast dinner because of their gas and electric bills. Like, how scary is that? That's honestly, it's so scary. But yeah, like, I honestly can't believe like we are absolutely going through this crisis at the moment. Like, it's just not stopped. Like, we had COVID, and then we had a war, and now we've got this, and it's like, when is it actually going to end? When can we go back to normality? Because we haven't been in normality since COVID. Like, it's crazy, and we're all just like, I just want to live a normal day back in 2019. Where people, things didn't matter. You just went through your day to day not having to worry about anything. And now everyone is so worried. It is scary. It's such a scary time. But yeah, comment down below like what you're going to do for Christmas. What's your like favourite, is your favourite, like, what is your favourite day throughout the Christmas period? Like, is it Christmas Eve? Is it Christmas Day? Is it Boxing Day? Because I know people prefer to have, like, they prefer Boxing Day over Christmas Day. I think it's because there's something about Boxing Day that, like, some families like proper celebrate rather than Christmas Day. They prefer to have Boxing Day. What are your plans New Year? So yeah, I just want to hear it all, guys. Like, we need to keep these spirits happy. We need to like remain happy, even if we can't put lights on our tree. But yeah, it will become okay in the end. It's just, we've just got to fight through it. If we can fight through 2 years of COVID, we can fight through this. But yes, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and I will be back. I'm planning on doing some like Halloween makeup. That's if October doesn't disappear before I'd end up doing this. But yeah, I really want to do some Halloween makeup. I have a few ideas in my head. Whether I'll execute them is absolutely another story, because I do not know how to do it, and it's literally going to be my first time. I've never actually done Halloween makeup before. I normally just used to buy like the kiddie face paints and just do that, but I'm actually going to do it with makeup. So yeah, I keep seeing it all over my TikTok, and I keep getting the ideas, and I'm like, yeah, I will try my best. But yeah, if it doesn't go right, I will delete the video and pretend I never did it, basically. But yeah, I'm hoping it should go okay. It should go okay. I will probably film one later if I have time, but if not, then I will try and film something over the next week for you all. I'm not sure when this is even going to be uploaded, because I just don't know. I don't know. Like my days are just disappearing at the moment, and I don't know where they're going, to be honest. But yeah. But thank you for all watching. I really apologise again that I have been so absent. But if you're all in the same life as I am, where are the days going? 1 minute it's 12 o'clock, next minute it's going to bedtime, and it's 2 days later. What? It's crazy. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for returning. Also comment down below, what shall I do about Glossybox? Because I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to continue. Is it something that you are prefer to watch, or do you prefer to watch makeup? Because I don't have to do these. I would rather do something that you guys want to see than do something that you just are watching because it's just about background noise, to be honest. But yeah, so I will see you very, very soon. I will film very, very soon, and this will be up. I will put it on my Instagram when this will be up. But yeah, I'll link my Instagram down below for you all anyway. Thank you for watching, and thank you for like holding on for me, because I do return. I promise you I do return. But yes, thank you all. Love you. Bye bye.